Hey you! I'm so glad you're here today. I'm Jenny Prochko from Owls and Indigo, and I make videos about journaling, goal setting, and spirituality. It's time for the private monthly journaling prompt. Today we're going to be talking about how to stay resilient. This writing prompt is inspired by the 9 of Wands tarot card from the Rider-Waite deck, which you can find linked down below. It represents resilience, courage, test of faith, boundaries, but this also signifies that you might be struggling with overwhelm, paranoia, or defensiveness. This card also signals that you'll be enduring the last test before reaching the finish line. As the year wanes, we commonly find ourselves weary and on the edge of exhaustion. Think about all that you've already achieved by overcoming those significant challenges and struggles so far this year. As your faith was tested, you faced it all with resilience and courage. Otherwise, you wouldn't be here right now. Right now, you are at the final challenge before you reach your goal. You're in the home stretch. Make sure to face the challenge boldly. Restate and redefine your goal. What are 3 actionable ways you can remain resilient to ensure you complete this final phase and accomplish your goal? Now let's get into my journal for my answer to the same prompt. I like to share my entry with you in case you're feeling a little stuck, or if you need a little inspiration, or if you're not sure where to go with the prompt. And it's also like we're journaling together, and I absolutely love it when I see your journaling prompts as well. My goal was to be slimmer and to feel flexible, happy, and satisfied. The 3 actionable ways I will remain resilient are: number 1, to simplify my supposed requirements. This will remove the barrier to getting up and actually doing my goals and habits. Number 2, unfragment my journaling locations where I keep track of my goals, life, and work. Number 3, only focus on what works for me. The things that work for me are lists, preparing ahead of time, audiobooks, guided meditations, quick yoga, and practicing holding yoga poses instead of doing complete yoga flows. So what's your answer to this month's journaling prompt? Make sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share the video to grow the Owls and Indigo tribe. If you like thought-provoking journaling prompts like these, then make sure you check out my book, A Year of Spiritual Growth and Mindful Goal Setting, 365 Mindfulness Journal Prompts. It includes 365 daily prompts, morning and evening reflections, quarterly reviews, a mid-year check-in, an end-of-the-year review, and a simple visualization to help you see what your goals will look like once you've accomplished them, and the daily tarot journal, uncovering the art of the 1-card tarot reading. It includes 3 monthly overview spreads, 3 monthly tarot logs, daily journal pages with 8 writing prompts, and 3 end-of-the-month reviews. Order your copies of both journals today. The link is in the description. I'm so grateful that you chose to spend your time here with me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!